Hi friends, today we discuss articles. There are three articles in English. A, an, and the, other. When we speak or write sentences in English, in place of one, we have to use either a or an. So a, an. These two words mean one in English. We never use one number. In place of one number only, we use a or an. When do we use a, when do we use an, we should have a clear idea. For that, before explaining when do we use a or an, I want to tell you there are two types of letters: vowels, consonants. Vowels, consonants. There are 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, vowels are A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. In Telugu, A to Au, what are the sounds are there? In addition to those, so many other sounds are there which are not in Telugu. Like fan, fail, a, in this type of sound won't be in Telugu. Including all those sounds, what do we say? The combination of vowels make different sounds. They are known as vowels. The remaining 21 letters, except vowels, except A, E, I, O, U, all the others are consonants. So A, E, I, O, U and related sounds are vowels. The remaining sounds are Katoksha in Telugu. They are consonants. We use A in place of one before countables which are to be counted, countables before countables. What are countables which can be counted? They are countables. Starting with consonants. What are consonants? Except A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, like that. With consonants or consonant sounds. Example, any countable, anything or a common noun, whatever it is, if it is countable for meaning one, we have to use A. A boy, a man, a tiger, like that, etc. This is about consonants. This is a consonant, this is a consonant, this is a consonant. Any countable starting with consonant. Now coming to consonant sound, there are two sounds. Va, ya in Telugu. Generally, ya sound starts with maybe union, a university. Then va sound, 1 rupee coin, one way road. That. Here starts with U, but sound is of ya in Telugu. So we have to use not an union, a union, a university, a 1 rupee note or 1 rupee coin, one way road. In that way we can use. This is about using a. Now coming to an. An is used before the countables. Start with vowels. As I told you earlier, A, E, I, O, U are vowel sounds. Example, starting with A, E, I, O, U. An apple. This sound is not there in Telugu. We can't say apple, we can't say apple. It's a different sound which we can't find in Telugu. An apple, an orange, an umbrella, an ink bottle, like that we can. It's very easy. If the vowel is there at the beginning of the word, you can. But you should also think of the sound, whether it is proper or not. For example, R. We never pronounce ha. We never pronounce ha in English. This is not there. So, we can't say a hour won't be. This is not there. That is why you might have observed an hour, half an hour. So, we have to be a little careful whether the sound is with vowel or not. If at all it is with vowel sound, you have to use not a hour, honest man, honest person. We don't pronounce H, starts with O, or. So honest, an honest person. Suppose a bus, B, it starts with B, so a bus. We are with the different varieties of buses. Express. Express starts with E, then an express bus. If you don't mention a bus, then I want to say RTC bus is there. RTC bus starts with R, but sound is not with Ra. Like Telugu, sound is not with Ra. So you have to use an RTC bus here. So while using a or an, we should be a little careful. First, our attention should be whether the word starts with consonant or vowel, or the sound. As per the sound of the word, we have to think of using a or an. This is about an and. Then let's discuss the. This is used. I tell you, you might have observed, sometimes we say the, sometimes we say the. And so many people get confused. They don't know when to use, when we should use the, when should we use the. Most of us don't know. I clarify it clearly. I tell you, when the is used before vowels, we have to pronounce as the. When the THE word article is used before the word starting with vowels, we have to say the. On the other occasions, we have to say the. Suppose Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, starting sound is Pa. The Pacific Ocean we have to say. Indian Ocean, starting with E. It should be pronounced as the Indian Ocean. So that is the difference we have. When do we use? Da is used before geographical names, particularly mountain ranges, like the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, the Alps, the Himalayas. How do I pronounce it? The Himalayas? I am not saying the Himalayas. The Vindhyas, the Alps, they are in Europe. Mountain ranges, continents, before the names of continents, the Asia, I am not saying the Asia, the Asia, the Europe, because it starts with Ya, the Australia starts with before the names of continents, oceans, Pacific Ocean, the Pacific, Atlantic, the Atlantic, Indian, the Indian, the Arctic, like that. Rivers, the Amazon, not Amazon, Amazon. That is the name of the river in South America, the longest river in the world. The Nile, the second one. The Ganges in our India. The Krishna, the Godavari. If Da is not there, that will be the name of a person or God or some other. So if at all we say Krishna river, it won't be proper. The Krishna we have to say. So before the names of rivers. Unique things. Only one is there. What are they? Of the world, like unique things, the moon, the sun, and wonders of the world. There are 7 wonders in the world, the Taj Mahal. Unique things, suppose Charminar is there. Only one Charminar is there in India. There are no 2, 3 Charminars. So what are there unique? Only one. For that we have to use the Charminar. We have to say, simply we cannot say Charminar. The Charminar, the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty, the Statue of Liberty. We should be a little careful while pronouncing. Then holy books. Holy books, very important books. The Bible, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Quran. So all the religious holy books, very famous, world famous books like the Gita Anjali, the Arthashastra, like that. Very important books, very famous books. Names of newspapers like the Hindu, the Eenadu, the Sakshi, the Indian Express, like that. Newspapers, magazines, and international organizations. International organizations. What are international organizations? For example, UNO. UNO, but pronunciation should be the UNO, because it starts with Ya. The SAC, like that, international organizations. Then before superlative degree, like the best, the most, the highest, the largest, the smallest, the biggest. When the adjective is in superlative degree, we have to use the. So in this way, before geographical names, mountain ranges, continents, oceans, rivers, unique things, wonders of the world, important books, holy books, newspapers, international organizations. Suppose the collector we have to say. The chief minister we have to say. They're all very important and unique. The president of India. We can't say a president of India or simply president of India. We cannot say the president. School, the headmaster, the principal. So, very important designations also. With all those we have to use the. Then, where should we not use? That should also be known to you. Where should we not use? We are not supposed to use. Before the not to use. Not to use. Where? Before the names of persons. Before the names of persons. Things, places, before the names of persons, we can't say. It may be a geographical name or some other. Someone is there by name Hari. The Hari we cannot say. Before the names of things, before the names of animals, places we cannot say. The India we cannot say. India only. The Telangana we won't say. When we specify with any other word we have to. Otherwise we cannot say. The Warangal won't be. The Hyderabad won't be. That may be the name of a newspaper or any other, but not the place. And before the names of languages. So places I told you, names of villages or towns or cities or countries, whatever it is, states, we should not use. Before languages, the Telugu, the Hindi, the English, like that it won't be. Before the names of languages. Then before the names of schools, universities, colleges, offices, hospitals, we should not use. Apollo. The Apollo we should not use. Apollo Hospital. Rohini Hospital. The Rohini won't be. The MGM won't be. So, before the names of schools and the Kakatiya University, the Usmania University, in that way it won't be. So, we should be a little careful when we should not use. If at all you know all these important points, you will be able to use properly, particularly A and A is used in place of one before consonants or consonant sounds, countables. And is used before the countables starting with vowel or vowel sound. The is used on particular occasions I told you, and where they are not to be used. If at all you are mindful of all these, your sentences may be proper and you won't have any problem at all. In our next class we discuss some other topic. Have a nice day. Thank you.